Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Today I'm going to tell you my thoughts about the Dyson TP09. I have been using this for more than a week now and I think it's a total banger. It's got this cool solid-state tech that captures tiny dust particles, gets rid of harmful VOCs, and keeps a close eye on formaldehyde levels. I know that this isn't something that we usually cover in this channel, but it just so happened that Dyson reached out to us so we can test this out and really experience how their technology helps in filtering out some allergens and nasty things floating around our house. Yes, the unit that we use on this review was sent to us by Dyson, but they did not in any way influence our opinion about their products. You know, it's crazy how we spend 90% of our time indoors, right? And we're breathing in like 9,000 liters of air daily. So all those pollutants from cooking, cleaning, and even our furniture can really add up. Now, good thing, Dyson keeps working on their air purifiers to tackle all that indoor pollution for us. The Dyson TP09 has an intelligent formaldehyde sensor that ensures precise sensing of formaldehyde pollutants for the lifetime of the machine. Bata pa ako nung narinig ko na yung negative effects of formaldehyde from my parents, and it's good to know that Dyson is very straightforward in addressing and combating this. So this solid-state formaldehyde sensor is pretty amazing. It doesn't dry out and it's smart enough to tell the difference between formaldehyde and other VOCs. Now, what's cool is that Dyson's SCO filter breaks down formaldehyde into water and CO2, then just keeps on working without needing a replacement. Imagine that, no? While we're busy doing our thing, this machine right here cleans the air for us. Now, just remember though to replace the HEPA plus carbon combi filters every year or two depending on how busy your room is, and you're good to go. Dyson's new purifiers capture 99.95% of particles as small as 0.1 microns such as allergens, bacteria, H1N1 virus, pollen, and mold spores. So yeah, kasama dito pati yung SARS-CoV-2 which causes COVID-19. Guess what, no? The entire machine, not just the filter, meets the HEPA H13 standard. Dyson engineers made sure it's totally sealed by adding high-pressure seals at 24 key points, so no dirty air sneaks back into your room. You can trust that even after changing the combi filters, this baby stays sealed and effective for years to come. Dyson's engineers really stepped up their game to make the TP09 quieter without compromising its performance. They tweaked the airflow path and design, cutting down friction between the air and the machine's surface. And guess what? It's now 20% quieter. How awesome is that? You can barely hear anything from the microphone. And this one is turned on at relatively low levels. Now, regardless, no, kung meron siyang moving parts because this has a motor for air and filtration circulation, I did not hear this squeak or make any weird sound while in operation. And speaking of moving, I discovered this while using the app, both on included remote and the application, that this could turn up to 350 degrees. Now, in terms of placement, you can easily change the location of the Dyson TP09 anywhere in your chosen room. Ngayon, dito ko siya nilagay sa studio right now or sa home office namin because I have a wave of shoots here until next month. But I'm looking at bringing this room namin ng wife ko na upstairs. In using Dyson Air Multiplier technology, the machine can project purified air to every corner of the room. The machine can entirely be controlled by the Dyson Link app and activated by voice control. By voice, the Dyson app supports Siri, Amazon, and Google. You know, I was able to pair this up on Siri so I can easily set up some shortcuts to specific features of the device. Mas comprehensive kapag Siri, no? But you can also connect this to Google Assistant, no? It's a little basic though because it only let me add it on my Google Home so I can easily turn it on and off even when I'm outside the office. On the other hand, Auto Mode enables the machine to maintain a preferred room temperature and air quality levels. Hey Siri, turn off the purifier.
One sec. Okay, done. We've applied the settings you requested.
So the Dyson TP09 is a fantastic air purifier that's got all the bells and whistles. It traps tiny dust and allergens, zaps harmful VOCs, and keeps an eye on formaldehyde levels. With its HEPA filtration, air multiplier tech, and that solid-state sensor, it's a real-world champ for keeping our air clean and fresh. But is it worth it? Absolutely. If you care for your health or the health of your loved ones, I would not rest until I find the right air purifier. It's good to know that the Dyson TP09 has got everything I need covered and protected. Sabi nga nila, no, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. The Dyson TP09 offers a ton of prevention that's worth more than its price. If you like this video, this is the best time to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We publish videos twice a week, so to quench your thirst for new tech in the Philippines. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Go check out our full review, a written review of the Dyson TP09 on website at gadgetpilipinas.net. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!